Hello everyone. Welcome to your English first class of class 3rd. I hope you all will be fine. Students, today in this video we will complete exercises of lesson number 9. Okay? So let's begin our class. First exercise given on page number 45. Write the comparative and superlative degrees of the following adjectives. You can use a dictionary for your help. First one is able. So its comparative degree is abler and superlative degree is ablest. Bright, brighter, brightest. Cold, colder, coldest. Safe, safer, safest. Fine, finer, finest. Gay, gayer, gayest. Idle, idler, idlest. Jolly, jollier, jolliest. Okay, so complete this exercise in your book. Now let's move to our next exercise given on page number 46. First question, fill in the blanks with the correct degree of adjectives. You have to use the correct degree of the adjectives that are given here according to the questions. So first one is Burj Khalifa is a dash building in the world. Okay, so use here superlative degree tallest. Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. Second, he has less money than his friend. Okay. Third one is Mount Everest is the dash peak of the world, highest, HIGHEST, highest. Then fourth one is gold is more expensive than silver. Here we will use comparative degree. Your painting is better than your friends. Okay, here your painting is compared to your friend's painting. So we will use comparative degree, that is better. Comparative degree of good is better. Then the Ganga is the longest river of India. So superlative degree of long is longest. Seventh is Kavita is an intelligent student. Here no comparison is made, therefore Kavita is an intelligent student. Now Mumbai is the biggest city of India. Biggest city of India, that superlative degree of biggest. This is a dash habit, bad habit. Okay. Then Ramesh is more active than his friend. Now exercise C. Underline the correct adjective form given in the brackets in each sentence. First one is this dictionary is dash than that dictionary. So this dictionary is compared to that dictionary. So we will use comparative degree, that is more informative. Then next one is the fox is a dash animal. So cleverest of all the animals. Therefore we will use superlative degree cleverest. January is the dash month of the winter season. Coldest month of the winter season. Then Mohan is very slow in his walking. She is more taller than her sister. Sumit is the dash of the three. So youngest of the three. Ramesh is fatter than Mahesh. This dish is the most delicious in the menu, means out of all the dishes, this dish is the most delicious. We will use superlative degree here. It is dash today than it was yesterday. Hotter. 10th, who is the dash runner, Ravi or Amit? Who is the better runner, Ravi or Amit? Now next exercise given on page number 47, exercise D. Look at the picture and write the correct adjectives for the given nouns. So you have to, according to the pictures, you have to write the correct adjectives for all these nouns given here. So first one is, so use here young boy, old men, big car, yellow bus, busy street, black cow, red light, then smart girl. Okay, you can use other adjectives also, but you have to use according to the picture, according to this picture. Okay, now next exercise, underline the adjective that make each sentence correct. So first one is a car is dash than a cycle. So a car is faster than a cycle. The elephant are the dash of all animals. So elephants are the largest of all animals. The sun is dash than the moon, brighter than the moon. The cat is dash than the dog, smaller than the dog. Now open page number 48. Joy drill. First exercise of this is, let's compare some people. Here you can see Aman and Pradeep. Two men we can see in the picture. One is taller than the other. So Aman is taller than Pradeep. This man Aman is taller than Pradeep. In the next picture, Tushar's and Saina's hair is shorter. So you have to compare the hair of Tushar and Saina. Tushar's hair is shorter than Saina's. Then next one is Pawan and Sanju. Sanju is older than Pawan. Love and Kush is noisier. So Kush is noisier than Love. Okay. Now open page number 49. Second part of this exercise. Let's compare some animals and things. First one is the shopping mall or house is bigger. As you can see, shopping mall is bigger than house. So the sentence will be the shopping mall is bigger than house. The next one is red pencil or blue pencil. We have to fill the dash is longer. So the blue pencil is longer than the red pencil. Okay, the blue pencil is longer than red pencil. The rabbit or tortoise is faster. As you all know, the rabbit is faster than tortoise. Book and paper, we have to compare book and paper. The dash is heavier. So the book is heavier than paper. Okay. So these are your exercises of lesson number 9. You have to complete all these exercises in your book in neat and clean handwriting, and you have to learn all these exercises in homework. Okay. So this is all for today. Thank you.